Question 12, part 1. Indicate the principle behind the method used for refining of zinc. So we know that the zinc being low boiling will distill first, leaving behind impurities, or on electrolysis the pure metal gets deposited on the cathode from anode. Second one, what is the role of silica in extraction of copper? Silica here is used as flux to remove iron oxide, which is an impurity. FeO plus SiO2 gives FeSiO3. Third one is, which form of iron is the purest form of commercial iron? This iron is wrought iron.